fish from a jet ski. So we've got a compilation today of some of the bigger fish that we've caught off the jet ski. Big cod, Spanish. There's a big-eyed tuna in there as well. Obviously, when you go out fishing, you know, some days can be pretty quiet, you don't catch much. So this is a compilation of some of the better days we've had when the fish have come on. You might have seen in the last episode, 7 hours in the water in Denmark for that little sea trout. So yeah, this is a bit of a change to big fish from a jet ski.
Yeah, I just got it down. Okay. Do you want to pull this one in? Yeah, I'll get some good footage of you pulling in. Go. Jojo's hooked up, Joe's on.
It's been running.
Roper.
Maybe you might have it.
Oh, I hope not. It's only unlocked the jet, but I've only just got it. You can break the skin.
Very hard Spanish.
Yeah.
It looks like wow.
Put them in the gills.
That.
Ready? Get snapped off. Let me go. Oh, one, two. Oh.
You're the big one.
Okay, John got cod. I might got you. Oh.
It's not the shark. Dead.
Could be shark, eh? Maybe shark. Sounds fun.
TV after TV.
Let's hope. Got a bit of fun.
Wow.
Got it. Oh my God. coming up, like not running too crazy like a shark. Oh, it's coming up. Yeah, that doesn't look like a shark. Oh, snapper or Dewey, eh? Something silver. Oh, Dewey.
That's what I thought. The big one.
Awesome. Awesome, baby. No. Yes. Oh. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Just checking on the measurement. Yeah, so that's a nice size Jew. Awesome.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
Spanish. Yeah.
Baseball is right there, Adam. Put it on jab.
Oh, you need that one. Still got a kick in it. JoJo's on! Woo! Oh, that's nice. Spanish season's open. Sorry, listening. Woohoo! Yay! Look at that! Where is he? Where is he? There we go. Hey. I'll get that. Buddy. He's running. Oh, he's having a roll. Got my off the bottom. Off the bottom, buddy.
That's probably a good snapper.
Off the bottom before the sharks.
Might be a 60 snapper.
I want to get him up before the sharks get him.
Sick. Good one too.
Net him.
Wow!
Grab the...
Wow!
Yeah.
What a that was the biggest pearly I've seen. That's a very nice pearly there on our JetSki Town spot.
Oh, it's on the side of his head like a little growth.